And tonight, hundreds of doctors abroad are now struggling to get visa appointments, racing against time to get into the U.S. before the start of their medical residencies in July.
And Brianna, you spoke with several doctors who say they're in limbo.
For several people, they have spent thousands of dollars and years of their life studying for this moment. Now they say they're worried about whether their dream will become a reality. Project IMG is a support group for international medical students and graduates. Staff with that group told me that they heard from hundreds of hopeful doctors after the State Department suspended applications for J-1 visas in May. Last week, the State Department rescinded that order and resumed scheduling as long as applicants submitted their social media accounts for screening. I spoke with some international doctors who are set to come to Texas. They don't want to be identified for fear of it affecting their visas, but they say this back and forth has prolonged their process and is affecting more than their career path.
No slots open at all. I tried to contact the embassy. They just say, try to monitor your account as much as you can. I do all the time. I can tell you now that I can't sleep, I can't eat, I can't take care of my baby. I'm just focused on this issue.
Other doctors told me they'll start looking at options outside of the U.S., while others say coming to America is the only choice. I sat down with an immigration attorney who says more entities need to get involved.
I would recommend that the students, but also the schools or the hospitals get involved, because sometimes it's when these larger entities start talking to their elected representatives that things start to move. So I think that people should really communicate with each other and then communicate with the entity that is inviting them.
Lincoln-Goldfinch also recommends that people who are currently in the visa process to be thoughtful of what you're putting online.